Welcome to Pickup Automotive, where we explore the latest in the pickup world. Today, we're diving into an exciting new entry into the market, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup. Toyota has surprised us by taking one of their most iconic sedans and transforming it into a practical, versatile pickup truck. Let's take a closer look at what this new model has to offer. Starting with the design, the Corolla Pickup combines the familiar compact style of the sedan with the functionality of a truck bed. It has a sleek, modern exterior with clean lines that retain the sporty appeal of the Corolla, but now with the added strength of a pickup. The front end carries Toyota's signature grille, giving it a bold presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Pickup offers a range of engine options. You can choose between a fuel-efficient 4-cylinder engine and a hybrid version, making this a great option for those who want both power and economy. The hybrid variant is especially appealing for urban drivers, offering impressive mileage while maintaining the toughness of a pickup. When it comes to performance, the Corolla Pickup handles surprisingly well. Whether you're driving in the city or on rougher terrain, the truck's suspension and responsive steering ensure a smooth ride. Toyota has equipped it with all-wheel drive, which adds an extra layer of capability, making it suitable for light off-road adventures. Inside, the cabin offers comfort and tech that mirrors the sedan's features. There's plenty of space for passengers with a modern infotainment system, wireless charging, and safety features like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and more. Toyota has clearly prioritized driver and passenger comfort, creating a space that feels both functional and luxurious for a compact truck. Now let's talk about the bed. While it's smaller than the bed of a full-size truck, it's perfect for light-duty hauling, making the Corolla Pickup ideal for city dwellers or those who need the occasional extra cargo space. You still get the versatility of a truck without sacrificing the maneuverability of a smaller vehicle. In terms of pricing, Toyota has positioned the 2025 Corolla Pickup as an affordable entry into the pickup segment, making it accessible to a wider range of buyers. This blend of practicality, fuel efficiency, and cost effectiveness is likely to appeal to both sedan lovers and those looking for a compact pickup. Toyota is also offering various trim levels, from the base model for those looking for something simple to a fully loaded version with all the bells and whistles. Each option provides different levels of luxury tech and performance features, so there's something for everyone. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is an exciting new addition to the pickup world. With its compact size, impressive fuel economy, and practical features. It's perfect for drivers who need a balance between everyday use and occasional hauling. Keep an eye out for this one. It's sure to turn heads. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to Pickup Automotive for more reviews and insights on the latest trucks hitting the market. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Toyota Corolla Pickup.